Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you how I prepare my lentils at home. So guys, these are just the few ingredients I just need for this recipe. I don't need too much ingredients. I just want to add few ingredients to this recipe because I like to get the real flavor of the lentils. So I have my lentils, I have some sausages, some tomato paste, salt, vegetable stock, one Maggi cube, one stick of garlic, and I also have this chopped mixed vegetables, which is carrots, celery, and onion. I also have olive oil. You can use the oil of your choice, but I prefer using olive oil because we have to be eating healthy food. So for the safety of our health, so I need to use olive oil. So guys, these are just the few ingredients I'm going to use. For my new subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. If this is your first time in this channel, you're welcome to this channel. Feel comfortable to watch the video. For my old subscribers, I love you all guys. So stay tuned and let's get started. First, I need to add olive oil in my pot. Then I add my vegetables, the chopped vegetables. Then I will leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. Then I add my vegetable stock. So now I add my lentils. You got to wash it very well guys. When I was washing my own, there was a lot of sand in it. So guys, wash it very well so that you don't feel the sand inside. It's not nice eating sand. So I add some warm water. I add my garlic and add some salt. So I'll leave it and I'll cover it to leave it to cook for 20 minutes. Then I'll be back. So while we're waiting for the lentils to cook, I'm going to work on my sausages. So guys, I'm just putting some hole on the sausages because I want to drain all the fat out of the sausages because it has a lot of fat. I don't want to eat it like that. So anytime I want to eat sausages, I normally do it like this. I just cook it inside boiled water for about 10 minutes so that I can drill all the fat inside out. As you can see the fat on top of the water. So now I just add my tomato paste. I add my Maggi. And I add a bit of salt. I will leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Now I just add my sausages. Wow, as you can see, it's almost ready. I'll just leave it for some few minutes. This recipe is so good, most especially it's good for our health. It's health beneficial. It's rich of vitamins and fiber. So guys, try this at home. We need to eat a healthy food. It's good for our health. We need to take care of our health. So watch what we are eating guys. So guys, I want to say a very big thank you most especially for my old subscribers that have come back again to watch my video. I want to say thank you to you all, guys. For the new ones that just coming today, you are welcome to this channel. Feel free to stay here and watch. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share to your friends, and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any video. Ciao. I love you all, guys. Bye bye.